Greetings, everyone. My name is DeAndre Richardson, and I'll be talking about chapter 14 and my answer to each question. Question 1 is what one of the biggest contributors to our feelings of public speaking apprehension is our thought and internal monologue. When you think of giving a speech, what are your thoughts you have about your ability, the assignment, the audience, and the presentation? What are your feelings about those? What feelings do those thoughts create? When I'm giving a speech, the thoughts that I have when it comes to my ability, the assignment, the audience, and the presentation varies a lot. I'm a mellow person, I would say, when it comes to presentations and assignments and speeches and stuff like that, which means I'm pretty chill and low down when it comes to stuff like that. I would say I'm confident in my ability to do a speech, just not confident in doing it without a reference or anything. So I have to have something to keep my mind on the topic, which means I like to use sort of like a note card or a piece of paper or something that I can just jot my ideas down. When it comes to assignments, I'm never really bothered about them, as well as the audience. I'm not a nervous person when it comes to giving out speeches and presentations, but I do think a lot when I do a speech or a presentation. So, which, like what I said before, that's why I using references and stuff like that to keep me on topic. Question 2 is, of the many aspects of an effective delivery style, which of these aspects do you do well? Why is that? And how is that ability going to help you deliver your speech well? I would say out of all the aspects, I think I do well my posture, my articulation, and my appearance. I try to make sure I stand tall so my voice pushes out and my articulation is clear. And with my appearance, I just make sure I either dress business casual or business professional. And with these aspects of delivery style for me, it helps me deliver my speech well because it helps me be confident in myself and what other people think and hear from me during my speech or presentation. And that's the end of my answer to chapter 14, delivery.